Okay, so the best way to download your data to get it into Jamovi is to go ahead and go to File and then go to Download. And don't choose Excel because there's a weird glitch where when you download it to Excel, you have to actually open Excel and then save it. Um, and to be able to open it in Jamovi. And so the best way to do it is just to go to the comma separated values.csv and open it there. And then what that will do is we'll be able to open this sheet that I'm currently on. So now when I go to Jamovi, I'll make this bigger here. Okay. Um, when I go to the little three dots on the top left here, that's your menu. You can do open and you can do special import. I don't recommend doing special import because when you do, it's not a big deal, but it's going to put it starting here in this column. You're still going to have this A, B, and C, and then you have to go through and delete them. So it's just a lot more efficient, or a little more efficient, I guess, to go ahead and click on the menu, go to open, go to browse, and then go to your downloads. And you can see there's my punch study. And notice that it downloaded the clean data. So again, it's only going to download the data set, the data for the sheet that you're on. It's not going to download the whole worksheet. And I'm going to say open. And there we go. So you can see condition is here, timestamp, informed consent, all of the information that we needed. And notice that it gives us a number here. So it recognizes that we were creating a number using a formula. That's another nice benefit for a CSV file. So now, once you have that, you're going to do save. And you're going to save this as a Jamovi file. So that's the .omv. So you'll go to clean data. I'm going to delete that. I like my names to have meaning to them. So punch study 2026. I could even say clean data if I wanted to. You generally want it to be shorter. You could do periods between it if you want to, 2026. And then I'm going to save it. And you can do this different ways. You might want to, when you start to work in it, you might want to go to save as and create a new version and say .v1 for version 1, or put the date there if you want to. And so then that way you always have an original file that you can go back to where you have untouched data. And then we will go through doing some analyses together as a class for this data set. I'm also going to add some demographic columns just for practice that I didn't collect demographic data from you because it was such a small class that day. But we will go ahead and have some demographic data that we can analyze together. So that's how you would upload a CSV file. And then just remember that you have to save it as a .omv. And then in the future, you'll have to open it from Jamovi. Unless your computer is set up to open it automatically.